Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you your options about system sound in Galaxy A55 5G. Let's do this. Now, as you can see, we are on the main screen and then we have to go to the settings. From here we have to choose sounds and vibration and then go to system sound. Here you can choose the sound of your system theme. Now it's the basic one, Galaxy, and you have 3 more options. You can also turn on or turn off options from system sound theme. For example, dialing keypad, you can turn it off. Samsung keyboard, also turn it off. Charging and screen lock and unlock. Now all the system sounds are turned off. If you want to turn them on, you have to click again. And that's all. If you want to know more about your Galaxy A55 5G functions, please search our other videos about this phone and see you in another one. Bye!